Hello, I'm Skylark from at eVTOL Brazil, and today, we're soaring through the first ever China, Shaoxing, low-altitude Economy Expo, where innovation took flight. This event, held in Zhejiang, China, was a game-changer, unveiling the future of urban air mobility and advanced air mobility. Over 60,000 attendees witnessed groundbreaking technologies, from air taxis to electric flying cars and tolls, redefining transportation as we know it. Dynamic drone performances lit up the skies, while static exhibitions showcased the latest in UAVs and electric aviation. It wasn't just about tech, it's about reshaping economies and cities. Imagine skies full of flying cars, seamless regional connectivity, and sustainable mobility solutions. This is the low-altitude economy, and it's shaping the future of flight and innovation. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep dreaming high because the skies are waiting.